Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Aura app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and update your Aura Ring app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So on your iPhone, there's actually multiple ways you can go about doing this. You can type in the Aura app and you can click on the Aura app and it's automatically going to update. Or you could actually go into the App Store. And then once you enter the App Store, you can click on the search button on the bottom right hand corner, search for the Oura Ring app, and then you could actually go ahead and click on the Oura Ring app and go ahead and download it and update it. So this should only take a few seconds. And then once it's finished updating, you could actually go ahead and re-access the app. So let's give it a couple more seconds. And there you have it. You've now gone ahead and updated the Oura Ring app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.